Kita mo diri sa Bicol. Commercial gado niya sila. Nga nagsayo-sayo sa ano kamang-kamang pa siya kid pa siya dal lami biliod lang siya. Charot. Nagay gaana. Na oy lapi. Lapi pa na ha. Pero na kay ano dagan ba to ni spend ito. Grabe ga. Gaana na siya dal. Ana siya dal. Kamang-kamang siya nagsaman kid siya dal. Hindi ko ganahan kay giluod. Papa ko kita gyud tayo. Ano karon amo tong sense na sa mag-live na kay kalimot ko sa mga time nakakita ni. Ganana pa lang ka. Musika yung tayo. Kuan ko siya top good siya sa hit list. I guess. Nagan siya viewers. Huli mo po kasi mas bagay na kailan na ba or something na niya. At kasi rin ang gagawin. Mahira sa ano. Actually, Loren naman po. Narigo kong dagat dahil dali kay kumitom doon. Ano ka nga kung make up doon. May-adjust na lang siya kay mas dark siya. Ang make up doon light kay dali. Just as their home. Thank you, babe. Wait, dahil luto sa cooker ng PM na kanila. Sige ko. Luto, well. Ay, di ka maluso, dahil. Kaya sa sige. Hi, Ghost. Anong 3-star cutie? Kita mo yung... Hi, hi! Hello! Thank you! Thank you, Mara na to. Thank you, Ben. Kumusta ka naman? Lawa na ni Belle na siya. Pinakamagandang, ano? Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. And you? Where are you from there? Singapore. Oh, we have, we're planning to go to Singapore. Maybe 2 years from now or 3. Well, no, we're just planning. Yeah. Cause like, is it like Disneyland? Mm-hmm. Is it nice there or? But we're still saving for it. Yeah. It's the very first list to go to. Yeah. Tequila, hello. Angel. Arnie, hello. Sorry, guys. Wala na. Mga one na lang ako mag-end. Yeah. Cause, grabe. Hi, bantay ni Miss A. Wow, ganda. Hi, Rafi. Magpapatay ko na talaga. Bakit hindi na lang tinuloy? Rafi, tofu. Tofu. Ah, thank you, babe. Bakit ang cute lang? What's so funny, huh? I broke into a million pieces, but I can't come back. That won't say all the good in the whole thing. It's 'cause of heavy. Oh, you're a fan of Blackpink? That right? I'm so fan of Rose before, but now I'm in like my favorite is Jennie. Because Rose has very nice voice. Like I like rap. Hi, Denti. Nandyan ka pala. Ano, Wall? Kala ko, umalis ka lang. Here, starring Eloy. Nothing left. The ghost of you, the past life. I'm tired, but that ain't the fight. Only right here by your side. Ano talaga yung na-addict talaga ako sa song. Ayun. Naglalag ako. I'm lagging. Yeah. Gusto ko so addicted. Fave ko talaga na cartoon ngayon. Ito yung K-pop Demon Hunter. This is what it feels like. Bye, Greg. Jojo. Guys. Oh my gosh, I have like 7 minutes to go because I'm gonna end my live first because I have to eat my lunch. Hi, Tom. Pagi ba? Thank you for tapping, babe. What's your name? What you mean? I'm gonna reply her later. I'm gonna reply the all messages later after I end my live. Yeah. This is what it sounds like. Hi, Danny. Thank you. Ano? It's my first time receiving a romantic gift box. That's crazy. It's so nice. It's really cute. Actually, my favorite color is red, black. Yeah, red, black, and green. And I really love roses. The red one. Hi. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. So, that's really my favorite though. Roses. Anyways, thank you. Hi, Ki. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the brokenness. It's called a part of me. Darkness in harmony. My voice without a loss. This is what it sounds. Why is